Hey students, I'm here with the femur, and I just wanted to show you it. I got both sides of it, you can see. There's two sides. One side, which has the condyles, that would be the posterior side, and then there's the anterior side without the condyles, okay? And then you can just sort of follow up and look at the top of these two things, and they're both in the same direction, with this one here being posterior surface, where you see the nice ridge going like that. And on the anterior surface, you do not have such a ridge. Okay? So let's go through some of the parts on this so you can tell these from each other. Well, first of all, one thing we have that's really distinctive is the head. And then we have the neck. Okay, are you with me? See how that is? We have a greater trochanter that's up here and a lesser trochanter down here. So let me pull these things off so you can take a good look at them. So greater trochanter, lesser trochanter. See how that goes? Okay, and like I say, we're on the posterior surface and we're coming on down. Now notice you see one thing as we go. See the linea aspera is this nice little groove that we have going right here. Okay, let me take that off. And then we come down here to the condyles. And when we do the condyle, so remember, we've got a medial condyle, which is going to be on the medial surface. You can always tell medial because you look up, follow up, and you see where the head is. See that up there in the neck? Follow it down. It's pointing in the medial direction. So this would be the medial condyle here, and this would be the lateral condyle. Simultaneously, this would be the medial epicondyle. Would be right here. I'll flip it over. You can see it sticking up like that. It's above the condyle, and over here would be the lateral condyle. See that? Away from it. Okay, now, this is the anterior surface. And one thing's obvious about the anterior surface when you look at this, going along here, is you can always see the patellar surface, which is located right here. And the patella looks like this. Okay? You can see where it has a groove where it attaches. And that's the patella. So, going back up, no linea aspera on the anterior surface. But again, you can come up here and you can see the head, and you can see the neck, and then you can see the greater trochanter up here, and the lesser trochanter right down here.